Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diet Lab. Today, I'm sharing exactly what I eat in a day to get lean, lose weight, and most importantly, not feel deprived. If you're someone who's tired of crash diets and cutting out everything you love, this video is for you. We're talking about high-protein, realistic, and satisfying meals that are easy to make and actually keep you full. Let's dive into a full day of eating that fuels fat loss and supports a lean, strong body. Breakfast. So let's start with breakfast, my absolute favorite meal of the day. Most mornings, I go for something that's quick but packed with protein, like a high-protein Greek yogurt bowl. Here's what's in it: 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, about 20 grams of protein. A handful of blueberries or strawberries for antioxidants. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, great for omega-3s and fiber. A drizzle of honey or monk fruit for sweetness. And a sprinkle of cinnamon for blood sugar balance. This bowl gives me around 25 to 30 grams of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to keep me full for hours. Not in the mood for yogurt? My go-to alternative is a 2-egg plus 3 egg whites omelet with veggies like spinach, tomatoes, and bell peppers, topped with some avocado slices. The key is balance: protein to preserve muscle, fiber to keep digestion smooth, and healthy fats for satiety. Morning snack. A few hours later, if I get hungry, I go for a smart snack, something that keeps my metabolism humming without spiking my blood sugar. My favorite option: a protein smoothie. 1 scoop of plant-based or whey protein. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1/2 frozen banana. A tablespoon of peanut butter. A few ice cubes and a pinch of cinnamon. Blend it up, and you've got a creamy, satisfying snack with about 20 to 25 grams of protein that feels like dessert. This is key when you're trying to lose weight, because when your protein is high, cravings drop and energy stays consistent. Lunch. Next up is lunch. This is where I really make sure to include lean protein, fiber-rich veggies, and healthy carbs. Here's one of my go-to lunches: grilled chicken quinoa bowl. 4 ounces grilled chicken breast, or tofu for a veg option. 1/2 cup cooked quinoa. Roasted veggies like zucchini, broccoli, and carrots. A drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice. Optional: feta cheese or tahini dressing. This meal hits the mark with 30+ grams of protein, complex carbs, fiber, and healthy fats, everything your body needs to feel energized and satisfied. Don't be afraid of carbs, just choose smart carbs like quinoa, brown rice, or sweet potatoes that support your workouts and recovery. Afternoon snack. Mid-afternoon cravings? You're not alone. I always have a protein-forward snack handy, like 2 boiled eggs. Or a handful of almonds with a piece of fruit. Or even a small whole grain wrap with turkey slices. It's not about eating less, it's about eating smart and choosing foods that keep your hormones and hunger in check. Snacking like this helps avoid the late-night binges that sabotage so many weight loss efforts. Dinner. Dinner is where a lot of people go off track, either by undereating or overeating. But for me, dinner is another opportunity to nourish and stay lean. My current favorite: salmon with sautéed greens and mashed cauliflower. 5 ounces baked or air-fried salmon, full of omega-3s and protein. Sautéed spinach or kale in a bit of olive oil. Mashed cauliflower with garlic and a splash of almond milk. Side of roasted sweet potato if I worked out that day. This combo helps reduce inflammation, supports fat metabolism, and tastes amazing. You can also do ground turkey lettuce wraps, shrimp stir-fry, or veggie-packed chili. The key is lean protein plus fiber plus good fats. Dessert. Yes, I eat dessert, and I still lose weight. My trick? High protein, low sugar desserts. Here are a few favorites: a few squares of 85% dark chocolate. Greek yogurt with cocoa powder and stevia. Homemade protein mug cake, takes 90 seconds. These help curb sugar cravings while keeping me on track. Remember, weight loss isn't about restriction, it's about consistency and satisfaction. Tips for success. Let me share a few tips that have helped me stick to my high-protein, weight-loss-friendly way of eating. 1. Meal prep. Always have healthy options ready. 2. Stay hydrated. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. 3. Prioritize protein at every meal. Aim for at least 25-30 g per meal. 4. Don't skip meals. It leads to crashes and overeating later. 5. Listen to your body. Eat when you're hungry. Stop when you're satisfied. When you eat the right foods in the right portions, weight loss feels natural, and you don't feel deprived. So that's a full day of what I eat to stay lean, strong, and satisfied. Let me know in the comments which meal you want to try, or what your favorite high-protein meal is. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more realistic nutrition content, and turn on the bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.